In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use a trainer in Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 to enable cheats like ultimate health, money, and more in seconds. Check my video description for this trainer download link. Scroll down. Under standalone versions, select the latest version. Once download done, select the trainer, select the yes option. Once the trainer opens up, launch the game. Once you are in game, press Alt Tab and open the trainer. Turn on the cheats you like to use. I'm gonna turn on one hit kills. Just minimize this and I'll show you guys one hit kill is working. As you can see, way more easier to play now. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.